The best thing about this cam is this webcam. This is webcam is this zoom lens. So it has zoom lens and it has a normal lens and it has LED for really dark times, like when it's really dark in the room. This can be really good, useful webcam for 3D printing people. I'm gonna be comparing KANO cam webcam with normal webcam. Welcome to Yasa's TV. So we are unboxing this really beautiful webcam. This is the only webcam that I know that exists in the world which has a focus lens, a micro focus lens. Isn't it amazing? So this camera is known for the zoom lens and really portable. The size is really small. The link is, it comes with this USB-A to USB-C connector, and this is how it comes, like a tray. Not much, I guess, just some warranty cards, some instruction menu, how to use it. So this is the focus lens, I think. Yeah, so it has a zoom, yeah, it has zoom lens, and it's like, oh wow, it's really good quality, like you can tell from the touch of it. It's a quality product. So it has USB-A, I believe, yeah, a big USB to put it in your laptop, and it has about 8 to 10 inch, about, this is my hand, 8 to 10 inch long, not really long extension bar, but it's good for, like, the best thing about this cam is this webcam. This is webcam is this zoom lens. So it has zoom lens and it has a normal lens and it has LED for really dark times, like when it's really dark in the room. You can turn on this LED light. It has normal webcam, it has zoom lens, which is the feature I'm really interested in. So you just, I guess, do this. Now it will zoom into really small text and details. This can be really good, useful webcam for 3D printing people. This is the button for the LED light. I guess this is the button to turn on off, or I don't know. The only disadvantages I can find of this webcam is no microphone. Yes, you heard it right, there's no mic in this webcam. So because this is mainly built for special KANO laptops, can be used in normal laptops, all normal laptops, Apple devices, Microsoft laptops, Toshiba, Dell, you name it, all normal laptops it can be used. So all the laptops have microphone anyways, so it's focused on laptops, so it does not have internal microphone. But if you are doing something like some special project which requires webcam to have a microphone, this is not the product for you. It does not have microphone. Okay, let's do some testing of this micro lens, which is the most important feature for me, at least. So I'm going to be using it with the 3D printers to look at how it's going to perform. Let's go. Okay, so in this test, we're gonna do low light test and room light test and extra light test. By the way, in this particular footage, my camera is very close to the object I was printing at the time of the test. KANO cam is really close to the object right now, but it still keeps it in focus. I've noticed that this KANO webcam requires a little bit good lighting than C70, but it does shine better in the picture quality. LED light on the camera is useless. So in our testing sessions, we're gonna be checking it, both cams. I'm gonna be comparing KANO cam webcam with normal webcam. Normal webcam I'm using today is C70, Logitech C70 famous cam. So now this is the view without focus micro lens on. and this is with zoom micro focus lens on KANO cam. So I'm really close to the object, really close to the object, and I'm surprised to see that it's really keeping everything in focus. Nothing is blurry. Cam is so close to the object, and this is now Logitech C70 normal lighting, room light, and now some additional light. You notice in Logitech C70 webcam the picture is blurry because I'm too close to the object, just next to the corner of the bed, printing bed, and it's very blurry. And now same position, KANO cam keeps everything in focus, but you notice it requires more light. In the same amount of light, Logitech was a little bit more brighter but blurry. And now I have provided extra light, and KANO does amazing job. So KANO does good job if you have good lighting, a better job than C70, Logitech C70. So my conclusion is it's really worth it. If you wanna have a really close-up shots, this camera does the job. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next one.